I have a practical here. This practical is done by the grade 2 students that are preparing for NEET exam this coming November, December series. So the question that we handle today is maybe a read for you. The figure 4 shows the layout of the bell. Roman A, draw the wiring diagram such that the push button, Roman A, Roman 1, A control bell Q, Roman 2, B and C control bell P through the indicator board. Roman 3, B is the reset button. Then the second question, part B of the question, install the wire, the circuit. And then we have the circuit here. Maybe my camera person will be able to see or to show you guys the question. So that is the question. That is the question. Good. Now this is a practical part of it. They have done the practical part of it, but I'll do the explanation. So this is a supply, a single phase AC power supply to our consumer unit. Of course, the consumer unit, we have a neutral terminal, we have the earth terminal, the protective device, and then we have the breakers. So the load that we have is just bell. And as per the IE regulation, we are going to use a circuit breaker of 6 to operate these two bell. So the first bell, this first bell on my left hand side is 240 voltage AC, and on my right hand side is 12 voltage DC. And then we also have, I'm just explaining, or I'm just mentioning the materials that we have. So we have 240 voltage is 240 AC voltage bell. We have 12 DC voltage, and then we have a relay. So this relay is 240 voltage, and then this other relay here, it is 12 DC, and then we have something here called a transformer. Of course, we have an indicator. We have used a bulb as indicator, and then we have a switch. We have a stop buttons. The first stop button in our question, this is stop button B, this is stop button C, and this is stop button A. Maybe we can explain 240 voltage, how it operates. So from the supply, the current flows direct. So this current will not enter the transformer. So we'll tap it from the primary source of this transformer, direct, the live cable direct to the what? To the switch on the common side, and then from the switch it goes to the hub, that is L1, to the relay. So from this relay, the termination is here, is well indicated. So we have the supply to from the half part of it to 10, then we loop it to 1, and then to this is number 4 to our bell, and then the neutral 2, it has been looped very well. So this is our 240 bell. So once we switch on this point, the bell rings, you know, maybe it indicating something. You can use this one in schools, or even to alert people if there is anything that is happening in the community. You can use this bell as well. So that is how it operates. This is how it operates. That is how it operates. And you can see how noisy it is. Wow. So maybe I'll come back to this other side of 12 voltage DC. So first of all, we must step down this 240 voltage to 12 voltage DC, because this bell, we only need 12 voltage DC power. So this instrument called transformer, it will help us to step down 240 AC to 12 voltage DC by the help of this diode. Of course, you know the work of these diodes are for the rectification. So the rectification is the process of converting an AC power to a DC power. So of course here we have a 12 voltage now, DC, through this cable. So we have both the L terminal and the neutral terminal. So the L terminal goes to the switch or the stop button rather, the common side, and then it loop to this other one. Of course, we are going to connect these two in parallel because the question says the button, the stop button B and C control bell P through the indicator board. So that's why we are connecting this common with this one, and then the a half of it to the half, and then goes directly to our relay. Now from our relay here, we can see we have tap it. We have tap number 7 and number 8. After that one, normally open to number 9, and then to our bell, and then our neutral 2 to number 2, and then we have tap it directly. Okay. So after that, the second question or the third question says D is the reset button. Now, what is the purpose of this reset button? Maybe we are in a clinic, or maybe in a hospital, or maybe let's say mostly we can use them. We can use it in an hospital. If you are in a ward and you want attendance or the emergency of the doctor or the nurse, you are going to press your stop button, and this stop button, it will indicate to maybe to the office of the doctor or the doctor or the nurse, you need some attention. So this indicator, the bulb, it indicates. Sometimes we use there is another relay. Maybe we have more than 2 or 3 rooms. We will use a flag. There's a flag that will just indicate, showing that there is a particular room or a particular ward someone needs the attention. So once we switch on here, this bell will light. It will indicate. It will indicate. So the nurse will come and switch on here, so that they can come and switch off there. And then maybe another person can decide to switch on here. I think good. Now reset button. So once he has turned it on, the bell will continue ringing until this person decides to come and attend to him. Once the attendant is good, he will switch on, and then he'll come and reset the bell. Okay? So that if the next attendant rings the bell, the light also will indicate, and the bell will continue ringing until we switch it on. Okay? I think up to there, if there is any question, you can ask. But that marks the end of our lesson today. Thank you.